Welcome everyone. I'm Swati from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first year BE from the Department of CSE AI. Now I'm here to explain about green fuels, that is green hydrogen, from the process of electrolysis of water. Now let us start the session. The topics to be covered in this session are introduction to green fuels, classification of green fuels, introduction of green hydrogen, electrolysis of water, working of electrolysis of water, properties of green hydrogen, advantage and disadvantages of electrolysis of water, and the applications of electrolysis of water. Now, let us see the introduction of green fuels. Green fuels are liquid and gaseous fuels produced with electricity from renewables. Example SNG, solar power and wind power. Next, classification of green fuels. Primary fuels and secondary fuels. Fuels which occur naturally is called primary fuels. Example wood, coal, etc. Secondary fuels. Fuels which are derived from the primary fuels is called secondary fuels. Example charcoal, coke, etc. Now let us see about the green hydrogen. It is hydrogen produced by splitting up of water by electrolysis. Now, let us see about the process of electrolysis of water. It is a process of splitting of water into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas using electrolysis. Now, let us see the process of electrolysis. The construction of electrolysis process is it consists of two pair of platinum electrodes with water and H2SO4 electrolyte. At the anode, water is oxidized to oxygen gas and hydrogen ions. At the cathode, hydrogen ion are reduced to hydrogen. Both oxidation and reduction takes place at a time. Now let us see the working principle of electrolysis of water by the anodic and cathodic reactions. At the anode electrode, the water, that is H2O, gets split up into two H plus ions plus half O2 plus two electrons. At the cathode reaction, these two H plus ions plus two electrons will combine to form hydrogen gas, that is H2. The net reaction occurred here is the water, that is H2O, gets split into two H plus ions plus half O2, that is oxygen gas. Now let us see the properties of hydrogen pertaining to fuels. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable resources. Hydrogen burns with pale blue color. Hydrogen is highly flammable. It has a high energy. It combines with oxygen, gives water. Now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of electrolysis of water. Advantages: produces almost pure hydrogen gas, could be powered with cool renewables. Hydrogen is abundant, no moving parts, servicing rarely if necessary. Now, disadvantages of electrolysis of water. Currently not cost competitive. Fossil fuels powered electrolysis amount of energy needed to divide H2O is equals to amount given off when hydrogen gas is burnt. Now let us see the applications of electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water process is used for the purification of metals. Electrolytic reduction of metals from their compounds is used for metal cleaning, used for electroplating,